What's up, guys? Ryan back here again for another Amazon FBA video, and today you guys are in for a little treat because I guarantee you, this is the best way to launch a product in 2018. Why? Why, you ask? Number one, you're collecting emails for everyone in your niche. Number two, you're targeting your niche very, very specifically. And number three, probably the most important one, is it's a lot cheaper than giving away a ton of products. Giving away a ton of products at a big discount to just random people, right? That are probably not going to rebuy your product, right? So let's jump right into it. I have everything all laid out here in Word. So number one, as I was saying before, you're going to be collecting emails. So it's very important. Use MailChimp, use Aweber, whatever you want. I just said MailChimp because that's what I use. Very simple to set it up. Have like a Gmail account linked to it, and you could do all your whole mail campaign there. A lot of templates. It's very, very user friendly, guys. You're gonna blast through this in like no time because that's what I did, and I'm like no marketing specialist at all. So number two, you want to create a 7-day email series that educates them about your product, about your niche, what you have to offer, why you're a nice guy, why they should buy from you, everything like that. Now, like I said, I'm an engineer. I'm not a marketing specialist, but this is what I did, and it worked really, really well. Like you can see right there. Yeah. See how many I sold first day? See that giant spike? So if you guys want to do that, be sure to follow this whole video. And give me a thumbs up, because I've never heard anybody talk about this strategy, or maybe it's just secret for all the gurus. You gotta pay them like $1,000, but you guys get it for free. All right, so you want to make like a 7-day email series. You gotta warm them up. You can't just throw your product out there and just keep hammering them, because they're gonna either block you, they're gonna delete you, throw you in the spam folder, and you're not gonna get sales. So you want to warm them up. You want to introduce them to yourself. You don't have to be super detailed. You can talk about your store, what you want to focus on, that kind of stuff. And then you want to make them laugh, send them a funny video, teach them some tricks, some crafts and whatever. Maybe you're like barbecuing, you have like a barbecue item or something, right? And you want to like teach them how to cook. You want to give them like a new recipe. Do stuff like that. Now, you can mix these up. You could throw something totally random there. You could not do any of this, what I say, but this is what I kind of suggest you guys try out. Number four, you want to start introducing your product because you want them to buy it, right? So introduce your product, remind them of the giveaway, to share it to other people. You want to give them a use case for your product. Number five, barbecue, right? It's a spatula. Don't sell spatulas, by the way, because they're very saturated. Everybody and their mom is trying to sell them. So give them a use case for the spatula, so you could flip burgers, you could flip squirrels, I don't know, whatever you want, whatever you're into, Number six, you want to announce how many people have entered, show that there's not much time left. Once again, introduce, like, share it to all your friends, give them all your emails. Don't really say that, but and then the last day, you want to announce a winner, and then give them all a coupon code. Now, the cool part about this is you don't have to give them a 90% off discount like you're doing with all these other like viral launch, jump send, whatever. You could just give them like 10-15% off, and they're gonna like melt over that. They're gonna love that, and you're gonna see a ton of sales. But I'll get into it a little bit later. Some key points you want to make sure you check off with the coupon code. All right, so here is the key. You want to sign up for an account on Gleam.io. I'll put all links to everything down in the description, but this is the key to having a really successful launch. Now I know I talked about giveaways and stuff in the emails there, but this is what you're going to use to create these giveaways. You're going to sign up for an account on Gleam.io. You may have seen other people using it. So what Gleam.io is, here I'll show you the website. Hop over here. So it's kind of like, you guys have probably seen it once or twice, right? You can do like competitions and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to give away, right? So you're not giving away a million products. So you could, make a pretty nice prize. You could do like $75, $100. Like I was saying, grill stuff before. If you want to do a spatula, you want to do like a recipe book, you want to do like some Omaha steaks or something really cool. Have like some really nice pictures in there, and then you could just go to town at all the info you want to collect from them. You could have them sign up for your like your page on Facebook. You could have them follow you on Twitter. You could have them follow you on YouTube. You could have them, I don't know, freaking give you a call at midnight every night. I don't know, whatever you want, whatever you're into. But most importantly, don't forget, you have to make it required for them to give you your email and their name too. It'd be nice to like personalize all your emails, so you want to collect their name. But yeah, look, you could submit a selfie too. Look at that. Just seeing that now. That's kind of cool. And then you could have it integrate into MailChimp if you want directly, or you could just download everything and then just upload it to MailChimp. So yeah, look at all these like different integrations. You could collect all these people's info, and then you could integrate it into maybe Facebook ads, and you could retarget them, right? So having their email is very, very important in e-commerce and specifically launching products on FBA. So it's really powerful. They got YouTube. See, look, they have a million different email marketing campaigns that you can integrate into and collect their stuff and throw it right into a campaign and go to town, right? So yeah, it's really, really a really powerful tool, and what I use to get a ton of sales. So that's Gleam.io. All right, so number 4, like we were saying before, Amazon codes. You want to make it valid for like 15 days after launch, because you don't want all your. It would be kind of cool to have all your sales on the first day, but then it's just gonna slump off, right? So you want to have it kind of spread out. If you want, you could even segregate your email list, so you don't have all the coupon codes that go out on one day. So you could split up to like quarters, right? Say you have 1,000, you want to send 250, 250, 250, 250. You could send the first 250 all their coupon codes on Monday, and then the next guy's on Wednesday, and next guy's on, next Tuesday, whatever you want. But make sure you spread it out so that they're valid for about 15 days from the launch to about 15 days after. Now I know this is all kind of building on you knowing when your product's going to get to Amazon, so you can build a little bit of a buffer in there. I actually did that so that you're not like giving them the coupon codes and you're like, oh crap, like my product is not live yet, right? So you could say like, all right, we'll announce the winner 2 days after the competition or something like that, to just give you a little buffer. But make sure you have all your tracking info from your supplier, and you're tracking them, and you're pretty confident when it's going to be live. Yeah, definitely make sure that's good. And you're gonna be all right. So number 5, you're gonna be running your Facebook. You're gonna be running your competition on Facebook, right? You're gonna be using Facebook, Instagram ads, and you use a very simple call to action. Use one picture of your product, or no, not your products. Your giveaway, right? Your Omaha steaks, your spatulas, your whatever you want, and you want to have a really nice picture, and just have very simple text saying, you know, if you're interested, sign up for this competition totally free, and then you get like coupon codes and stuff after. So run it for about 14 days, and then halfway through, start that email campaign with everybody that you collected so far, and then, you know, everybody after that point, you could kind of either catch them up. You could do like, you know, 2 emails a day, whatever you want. We could just throw them right in the middle. Kind of forgot what I did, but yeah, just give it a shot. So, and you know, you want to make sure it's linked to your Facebook store so that you can maybe get some more likes and stuff. Get that going. Instagram. Make sure you have a Facebook and Instagram page for your Amazon store. That's really gonna help you guys out. So. Yeah, you know, it's Facebook ads are really simple. Some people just really overthink them and whatever, but you just want to target your specific niches. I think it's interest, right? Facebook ad interests. So just say you're interested in grilling, right? Interested in cooking, and just target those people around your area. Maybe like 100-mile radius. You're gonna get hundreds of thousands of people interested in your niche. So. It's super simple, and it's the best thing because you're targeting exact people that are going to want to buy your product naturally, and you're giving them a coupon. So it's good, and then you're going to be able to like target them like 6 months down the line. Be like, hey, we just like upgraded our products. Come check it out, and here's another coupon, right? So you just constantly keep launching new products and target the same people and just keep building that up. So guys, you really gotta do something like this. So check it out. And then yeah, you just want to make sure you're always number 6. You want to keep tabs on your ads. Make sure everything's running efficiently. You can just do like $5 a day. $5 a day on Facebook ads. $2 a day. I don't know. Whatever the minimum is, just make sure you're reaching a lot of people and you're getting a lot of emails. I got 1,500 emails from doing this for 14 days, right? It's awesome, and I can retarget them. I send them an email every once in a while, just, you know, send them a funny video, send them a coupon, just you know, try not to spam them. Keep them happy, and then at the end you get to pick the winner, upload all the coupons, and then sit back, relax, and watch the sales come in. So yeah, that's the launch strategy, guys. That really was able to propel me to you know, rank up pretty high on my page for my specific search term. So if you guys found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a subscribing, click the notification bell so that you guys know when I come out with new videos. And we cover a few different topics, as you guys have seen. Did some real estate, now doing a little bit more Amazon FBA. I'll talk some crypto. So I don't like to just stick on one topic. I know some people say it's a bad thing, but I just am constantly hungry for learning new things. Maybe it's a problem, I don't know. But I love it, and it's fun. So yeah, if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up, and shoot me a comment down below. If there's anything in here that maybe you need more explanation, let me know. I'll do a video on it, or I'll just answer it in the comments down below. So as for this video, guys, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, see ya.